Very good morning to all of you. This video is made for the revision of what we have studied till now in the number system, so that you can revise the complete unit within a short while, and it will be useful for you for the upcoming test. In this chapter, you have studied the following points. The first one, a number R is called a rational number if it can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Second is, a number S is called an irrational number if it cannot be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Third point is, the decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating recurring. Moreover, a number whose decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating recurring is rational. Fourth point, the decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating, non-recurring. Moreover, a number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring is irrational. Fifth point is, all the rational and irrational numbers make up the collection of real numbers. Sixth point, there is a unique real number corresponding to every point on the number line. Also, corresponding to each real number, there is a unique point on the number line. I would request you to go through each points carefully, because unless you are going to observe and notice the facts in each point, it will be difficult for you to attempt all the questions for your test. And here in the seventh point I have, if R is rational and S is irrational, then the sum R plus S and the difference R minus S are irrational numbers, and the product R into S and the quotient R by S are irrational numbers, where R should not be equal to 0. In point 8, for positive real number A and B, the following identities holds true. The first one is, root under A into B, it is equal to root A into root B. Second, it is root under A by B, it is equal to root A by root B. Third one, root A plus root B into root A minus root B, it is equal to A minus B. Fourth subtopic, A plus root B into A minus root B, it gives A square minus B. Fifth subtopic, root A plus root B whole square, it is equal to A plus 2 into root under A into B plus B. Ninth point, we have to rationalize the denominator of 1 by root A plus B, we multiply this by root A minus B divided by root A minus B, where A and B are integers. 10th point, let A is greater than 0 be a real number and P and Q be the rational number, then we have A to the power P into A to the power Q, it is equal to A raised to the power P plus Q. Second, A to the power P whole to the power Q, it is equal to A raised to the power P into Q. Third one, A raised to the power P divided by A raised to the power Q, it is equal to A raised to the power P minus Q. Fourth one, A raised to the power P into B raised to the power P, it is equal to A into B whole raised to the power P. Next upcoming videos, you will be getting the multiple choice questions, which I will be solving for you. Thank you for today.